Excuse the way I look. It's pretty freaking darn hot.
All right,
out
what's
there.
your name, sir?
My name is Steve.
Do I have your permission to put you on the internet?
You do.
Okay, all right. So tell me how you make this famous chicken.
Okay, so what I do is I take that chicken and I get a little bit of brown to it, and then I take it off the fire and put it over here, close it up, and it gives it an oven effect. So that way it cooks it through. It's about done. I'm getting ready to take it off in about 32 seconds.
32 seconds.
And we're listening to some Nickelback. Now, some wouldn't like that at all, but
you know what? He's not here, right?
that's right. Nickelback.
It's all about.
Son,
It's a great song.
This is for you.
And this is probably going to get
Yolandi?
unmonetized
I'll tell you right
because
now.
it's like going to be a copyright thing right now.
Oh, that's true.
But that's all right. You know what? This is about us.
If it
It's
takes
about
it off,
family.
it takes it. Amen, brother.
All right.
Amen.
So anything else you want to tell people?
No, sir. Love Jesus. Love your family. Cook some, grill out at least once a week.
I mean, what's more to life than that?
That's right.
Right. God bless you. Thank you. After all that, Mr. Steve Glenn Cowan, awesome man. Great grandfather. Great father to my wife. Great grandfather to my kids. He made this chicken. You know, that's that fire right there he's making. And this man does so much for us. And I just want to take a minute to say, you know what, I'm thankful for what he does that he doesn't realize that he does. Hey, beautiful.
What?
Hey, beautiful lady. What was that question? I couldn't hear you.
No, you do not have my permission
Are
to
you
put me on the internet.
vlogging? Are you vlogging?
Did you just say internets?
You do
She
not
said
have
the
permission
internets.
to put me on the internet.
She
Please
said-
let me put you on the internets. This is.
She said the internets.
I know. I said the internets. Please let me put you on the internets. I'm telling you, this is gold, like your shirt, your sweater, in the middle of the summertime. Please, can I please put you on the internet?
You can put me on the internet.
Fine, you can put me on the internet.
Oh my God! I can put her on the internet. That's my wife. Look at
I
her.
said,
She's glorious.
I
Okay,
said-
what's your question about the tomatoes?
I asked him if he wanted the tomatoes cut up and put in the beans.
Hey, Paw. I don't know where he went. Where is he at? Oh, hey, we're still talking. We're talking.